Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to secure your banking app with two-factor authentication. So first, open your bank's official app and sign in. Then go to settings, security or profile depending on your bank. Now look for an option such as two-factor authentication, two-step verification or login security. Then from there, choose your preferred verification method such as an authenticator app, security key, or text message if your bank supports it. Then follow the instructions to complete the setup. If your bank provides backup codes, store them somewhere secure and never share them with anyone. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, you need an additional verification step when signing in or performing certain sensitive actions. Also, make sure your phone number and recovery information are up to date. So that was how to add an extra layer of security to your banking app. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.